Good morning to one and all present here. I am Praveen R from Tech High Tech Dr. Rangarajan, Dr. Shakuntala Engineering College, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Avadi. Today we are here to just discuss a few words on our final year project, Design of Fixture to Reduce Time Cycle. Our project mate consists of Nirmal Kumar J, Pradeep S, and myself R. Praveen. We have did We have done this project under the guidance of Mr. TVB Babu sir, our assistant professor of our college. We are batch number 33. Let's go into our project. So, when we deal with abstract, the project is about designing of a fixture to reduce the time cycle. This project was carried in order to reduce the time cycle involved during the inspection of a door frame in the final checking stages. In order to check a keyhole dimension, a dimensional rod is being used. Each and every time the check tool has to be taken in the hands of the employee involved in the inspection process. Here, there is a design made in such a way that there is no need of the inspector to come in contact with the checking tool. Here, about 10% of the time taken is for the inspector is reduced. While considering for bulk production, it gives an intense time saving criteria. Here, the design of the fixture is totally changed in order to save the time. The checking tool is directly fixed to the fixture. In order to provide flexibility, the checking tool is added with a double sided groove at its top and a spring in its bottom. This would help in the better enhancement of the fixture to produce or process faster in the field of inspection. The main objective of a project is to reduce labor, to increase the production rate, to reduce the process time cycle, to enhance the safety of laborers. Okay, let's have a short discussion about the company. Our company name is TI Metal Forming, incorporated in 1965 as a division of Tubes Investment of India Limited by Murugappa Groups and was started in early 1970s. They are a leading manufacturers of door frames which are used in the cars, lorries, etc. They are suppliers for Hyundai, Ford, Daimler, etc. In general, to produce a car, there are a lot of materials used. For example, steel, rubber, plastic, etc. So, our door frame mainly is made up of steel. The steel is first made in the form of sheet metal using forming process. Later, it is cut in the required dimension. After that, they bend the cut sheet metal in the required dimension like U shape or V shape. Later, they use different type of welding to join them. Methodology: fixture design process, setup planning, fixture configuration design, fixture design verification. Fixture design process. First, we had a small review of the design of the fixture which was being used in the company. Later, we set up a plan where we can find the time reduction process. Later, fixture was planned by our group mate. This is the process flow chart which is being used to make a door frame. Okay, and this is the fixture which is used to inspect the door frame in the place of final inspection. This is the existing tool system. This is the tool which was being used. This is not just a tool, this is the graphical representation of the tool which was being used in the industry. This consumed extra time when considered to that of the time consumed when the alternative tool was designed and used. There were small changes made in this tool and was directly fixed with fixture in order to save picking and dropping time with respect to the inspector's time. Since the tool was redesigned and was fixed directly to the fixture, the picking, dropping and placing time has been eliminated. Due to this small amount of time has been saved. This is the proposed system or the design which was made by us So you can see the design of the tool right here. The above fixture represents the tool design which is made by us. Though there is no much time saved when considering small number production, there is a big difference in time consumption when considered with batch production or mass production. A small groove was given at the tip of the tool. Later, it was altered with a small two springs with low tension, which was being fixed to the fixture. When placing the job or removal of the job, the groove you would help in easy fixing and removing of the job. The spring helps in easy expansion and rotation of the tool. While the spring expands, the job or the tool is pulled backwards, which tends to push the tool out of this fixture. When the job is placed, automatically the spring starts to contract or retard. As a result, the tool is inserted in the place where it is used to be checked. And again, when the job is removed, again the groove helps in pushing the job backwards. As the job goes backwards, the job can be easily removed. Advantages of a project: it is much time saving when considered to bulk production or batch production. It is not much time saving when it comes to unit production. It is highly economic since it is time saving, and as everyone knows, time saving is considered as the best way of increasing production. Makes the work of the inspector easier when compared to the old inspection method. Highly safe because there can be no misplacement of the checking tool. Cost efficient and reduces labor work too. So these are some of the references which we were gone through while we were planning to make this project. Thanking you so much. First of all, we would like to thank our guide TVB Babu sir for providing the extended support for us when and wherever we wanted his support. Later, we would like to thank our professors, our department HOD and assistant HOD for giving us this opportunity to deal with this project. Thank you all. Thank you.